Hey there! In today's video, we're diving into an interesting problem that arises when running a C++ program compiled with MSVC 19.43 using the await option. The issue revolves around the behavior of functions when utilizing coroutines and async tasks. After running the provided program, it was noted that function f consistently runs on the same thread, while the continuation in function g always executes on a newly created thread. Quite a peculiar problem, right? Now, let's delve into the solution to this intriguing conundrum. The key lies in understanding the inner workings of std, future, and how it interacts with coroutines. When awaiting an std, future, the MSVC implementation utilizes a unique approach. The await_suspend function is responsible for creating a new thread to wait on the future and subsequently execute the continuation of the coroutine. This intricate process sheds light on why the continuation in function g is consistently run on a newly spawned thread. To wrap things up, it's clear that the behavior observed in the C++ program stems from the nuances of std, future awaiters, and coroutines in MSVC. While function f remains steadfast on a single thread, the magic happens when awaiting an std, future, resulting in the creation of a fresh thread for executing the coroutine's continuation. Hopefully, this explanation sheds light on the inner workings of coroutines and async tasks in C++. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Remember, programming is full of surprises, so stay curious.